Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn what AI is in simple words with examples and diagrams. This topic confuses many people because they hear big words like machine learning, neural networks, and generative models. But the core idea is actually very simple. Let's begin with the basic definition. AI or artificial intelligence means teaching computers to think and act like humans. That's it. Just imagine giving a computer the ability to make decisions, learn from data, recognize patterns, or talk to people the same way humans do. Here's an easy example. When you unlock your phone with your face, the phone is not manually checking your picture. Instead, an AI model is recognizing your face. It has learned what your face looks like from patterns like the shape of your eyes, your nose, and other features. Another example is YouTuber recommendations. When you watch a few videos, YouTube starts suggesting similar content. It is not guessing randomly. It is using AI to learn what you like and what you don't like. It understands patterns in your behavior and recommends content accordingly. Let's take a simple medical example. Suppose a doctor has thousands of X-ray images of healthy patients and sick patients. AI can learn from these images and then help identify early signs of diseases. It does not replace the doctor, but it acts like a very fast assistant that can analyze data quickly and flag potential issues. Another everyday example is Google Maps predicting traffic. The app collects real-time movement from millions of devices. AI analyzes these patterns and instantly tells you the fastest route. It can even predict future traffic by learning from historical data. Now let's talk about conversational AI like ChatGPT or Gemini. These tools understand your question, think about it, and generate a meaningful response. They can write stories, answer questions, explain concepts, and even help with programming. This is a form of generative AI, which means the computer can create something new, such as text, images, audio, or even videos. One more simple example. Think about the spam filter in Gmail. It reads every incoming message and decides whether it is spam or not. No human manually marks these emails. AI does it based on patterns such as suspicious keywords, unknown senders, or harmful links. So here's the simplest way to remember it. AI is like teaching a computer to learn from experience the same way humans do. It analyzes data, finds patterns, makes predictions, and helps automate tasks. AI is everywhere today. It helps doctors diagnose diseases. It helps farmers predict weather. It helps students learn faster. It helps companies understand customers. And it helps everyday users make better decisions, from choosing a restaurant to planning a holiday. The key idea is this: AI is not magic. AI is not a robot replacing humans. AI is a tool that learns from data and helps us do things faster, smarter, and more accurately.